Hello traders, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I will be taking you through what I'll be looking over the week and what I'll be anticipating, and also be doing a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame, uh, so we can understand the narrative behind what is happening in the market, and uh, and also have a clear understanding on why we are doing what you're doing, you're selling or buying. So let's begin with the DXY, and the DXY where we have been bullish, and the reason we've been bullish is, as you can look at this is where the recent structure has happened, and you can look at this is where we had a clear break of market structure, and we have this high and this low, and the market is trading within this internal monthly structure, as you can see. As you can see, this clear break of market structure here, the market taking out this buy side liquidity, and then internal break of market structure. After a break of market structure, we always expect a retracement. So uh, this was the retracement that happened, this small retracement, but the market after this retracement, the market failed to close below this low. So the market came and swept this low, and then it went, and the market now after sweeping this low, it's buying now. So that is why this market has been buying. So we had a clear bullish structure from the month of March, the month of February, and I'll be expecting also the month of April to continue the bullish with the bullish structure. So let's go to the weekly time frame so you can see it clearly. So this is the weekly time frame. I can see the sweep that happened, and now the market is pushing up high. So our focus now is going to be from this sweep to this high. How has the market been? How has the market been? So let's focus here. Dropping to the daily time frame, we're going to focus there. That is where our focus is going to be at. So this is the daily time frame, and you can see the clear bullish structure, where the market has been moving in. You can see a clear higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and we have now currently a higher high with this being a lower low. So let's focus on where the market is currently at. Let me delete this. So we're going to focus on the power. So let's drop the power time so we can see where the market is currently sitting at. So I'm going to close the day, the monthly, so you can see what you're focusing on. I hope you have understood that. So um, this was the last. This was the last break of market structure. We had this low creating this break of market structure. So you're marking this for a low as a strong low, and this for a high because the market has already retraced. Because I told you after a break of market structure, we expect a retracement. So the market has retraced to 50%, and now it has started pushing up high. We have a clear change of character in the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you. This is a clear change of character, as you can see. As you can see here, it is a clear change of character, indicating that buyers are buyers are stepped in. So this is a clear change of character. Let me mark it so you can see clear change of character. So after change of character, we expect also the market to retrace. So two things that uh, I'll be expecting just a bullish bias. That is my overall. I'm bullish on DXY, and we have liquidities to target. We have those imbalances in the monthly time frame, and also we have liquidities in the weekly time frame. So this is how I'll be looking at. So also make sure measuring from this low to this high. You can see these are 50% almost similar to the external power range. So I'll be using this one. So after this change of character, uh, the market has to pull back to discount for its continue buying. But the market already, you can see, it did not pull back to discount, but it has not taken these are this 1 hour high, this 1 hour high, and now we have this 1 hour low. So so we have the market not trading within this internal 1 hour structure. This is our 1 hour high. Let me mark it, 1 hour high. Now this becomes on 1 hour low. So so the market can just open directly and reduce to 50% for it to continue going up, or the market can continue going up without retracing to 50% to 50 or discount level with this structure as you can see here. You can see here. Just continue buying, continue buying. So we'll be watching out on what happened, but overall, just look for bullish setups. Look for bullish setup on the DXY, and make sure you understand the dynamics of the market. Don't buy in a premium market. Hope that you understand. So let's check on EU again, so you can have a clear understanding of what to expect. Let's begin on the multi transfer so we can have a clear narrative from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to close uh, this drawing. So very nice. So focusing on the recent block of market structure and the recent 1 hour high and the recent monthly high and the recent monthly low. So this is the recent break of market structure in the multi time frame. I'm going to mark it so you can see it clearly. So this is the monthly high and the monthly low. After break of market structure, you expect a retracement, but in this retracement, market has been retracing in a bullish structure. We had the market taking out the sell side liquidity and then a break of market structure. After this break of market structure, we had a small little retracement. And this is a small little retracement. You can see the market went up, then a small little retracement. Then the market now failed to close above this. After that retracement, the market failed to close this above this low, making it and no, it failed up to close above this low, but rather it swept it. So making this low, this low, this monthly low, a week low, and has to be taken out. As you can see, the market has already taken it out. But that does not mean that after the market has taken it out, it start now buying. No, we continue with the structure. We continue the structure that is available to us in the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So let's move on and see how the market was moving to come and take out this low because these are drawn liquidity. So let's drop to the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, so you can see it clearly. So this is the weekly time frame. You can see the sweep and you can see the drop. So we want to focus on how the drop was coming in. We want to focus on how this drop, how this drop was coming in to focus there. So let's see on the daily time frame because that was a clear bearish trend as you can see. So on the daily time frame, we had the market moving in this bearish structure, clear bearish structure. You can see lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We are yet to get uh, another lower low. So let's see. Let's focus on the recent market structure. So the recent swing high. So the recent swing high is this external force structure. You can see this high and this low. So let's have it a clear view on the forward time frame. So, so I'm going to close also the monthly drawing, so you can have a clear understanding of what's happening. So this was the break of market structure. I told you after break of market structure, we always expect a retracement. This is the 4 hour high, this is the 4 hour low, and We also have so within this first four range, we have the market trading or within this external structure, which is also clear, which is also clear in the forward time frame. So let me show you the external structure for internal structure. So that is the internal structure that the market has been trading within. So the market has been retracing to this for bearish structure using this. We had this change of character, retracement, the market break of market structure, a retracement, and then here we had the market failing to close above this high. So this is what I consider sweep. And now after failing to close above this high, this now becomes a weak low, and that's giving us this change of character. So this is where the market is at entirely. Internally, this is our focus now, because this is where we want to trade at, not here, not here. We just want to trade at here, what the market is doing. So after this change of character, here again the market pulling back to premium market, because these are our four internal range, and this now becomes our four internal low, internal low. So above here, above the equilibrium is premium, below the equilibrium is a discounted market. So we had the market pushing up high to come to a premium market. So after the market came to premium market, we had a clear change of character, indicating that the sellers have already stepped in. Let me show you. So we have here a clear change of character. You can see clear change of character, clear change of character. So after this change of character, so we are going to focus here. What is happening here? What is happening in here? So after clear change of character indicating sales. So we want to wait for the market to retrace for it to continue, selling. So I want to see the market retrace to 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 this point, then to continue selling. So here, below here, above here is premium, below here is discount. So let's see. So let me close the for external range. Let's see. So this will be now my working range in the 1 hour time frame. This is my working range in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. This is my working range in the 1 hour time frame. Just want to minimize the understanding. You want to minimize the noise. So this is going to be our working range in the 1 hour time frame. Our working range in the 1 hour time frame. So what I'll be expecting is just I won't be trading anything bullish, but just rather than um bearish setup. I want to align myself with the trend of the market. So uh, maybe what I'd want to say, maybe a break of this market to continue like this, a break of market structure, then a pullback, then a continuation, or we can have uh, scenario two. We can have the market. We can have the market doing this, failing to close this below this, creating an SMT. Then the market start pulling out to come to premium, then continue going low. This is what I want to see. Or the other scenario. So I'm thinking of two setups, but overall I'm bearish. I'll be looking for bearish setups on EU. Let's go check out GU. Let's go check out on GU how GU is playing out. GU is GU. So let's start from the. I'm also bearish on GU. Let's start from the multi time frame so we can understand the narrative behind it. So yeah, monthly. Let's see. Yeah, so our working range again is between this monthly high and this monthly low. We have this clear break of market structure, and the market trading within these this external structure. You can see a bullish structure. So this was the last break of market structure, and after a break of market structure, we expect the market to retrace. But you can see. After break of market structure, expect the market to retrace, but the market failed to close above this high, so it's that high. So we are going to consider this as a weak low, and I'm expecting the market to take it out. So we are going to focus on how the market we're going to focus on how the market has been dropping to take out this liquidity. As you can see, you has already taken this liquidity, and let's see how GU is going to check out this liquidity. I'm not going to check on the weekly time frame. You just do it for yourself. Let's see the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see this was a clear, um, a clear bearish structure. As you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, a lower high, and then a lower low. Then we have this a lower high. Then we are expecting another lower low. So let's see as we head up to check out these liquidities. So let's focus on the forward time frame so you can see. Let's focus on the forward time frame so you can see. This is the forward structure. This is my forward structure. You want to minimize the noise, so after a break of market structure here, the market is retracing. So this was our 1 hour, 4 hour high, and this is our 4 hour low. So we had the market retracing to discount, respecting this was a discounted order block. No, I mean premium, but the market retracing to premium, and now we have seen this drop. So we have a clear, we have a clear 1 hour, clear 1 hour change of character. You can see, not really clear like not really clear like for you. This one is not that clear, but this is a change of character indicating that the sellers are already dropped. So same thing on on what I'll be expecting on EU. I'm expecting here also just a bearish continuation. So we can have this market continue with this bearish run. You can see a break of market structure here. The market will decrease then to continue going low, or the market just pops up a high to take out this liquidity and to continue going low. So just be creative with this market, and you you start making money, start trading, you start understanding and making money. That is the end goal. Just be creative because this market just try to test our creativity. So just be creative. Doesn't mean that since I've marked this way, these are going to be this is going to be how I'll be trading. So just have an understanding of your market. So let's again check on gold because this is what I'll be trading on. Let's check on gold. Let's begin on the monthly time frame so we can. This one is easy. So gold overally from the multi time frame, you can see there's no clear structure. Gold has been buying. So gold is bullish. So let's check it on the weekly time frame. Gold also does not have a clear weekly structure, but the daily is clear. So can have this daily bullish structure. I'm going to mark just the swings that the market has been moving in. You can see, and now the market has retraced here. The market after this pullback, the market failed to close above this high, so making this one a weak low. So the market now has returned to take it out, and you can see. So after taking it out, I'm expecting the market to continue higher. So this is my higher. This is my overall bullish bias on gold. So again, you can see to confirm this. You can see this the market failed. You can see the market swept this low. This is a sweep. So after this sweep, we had a clear change of character before time frame. because this was the last bearish structure. So we have this we have this we have this change of character in the 4 time frame. Let me show you. So this is a change of character. So these are 4 hour. So now our trading range now changes from this 4 hour low to this 4 hour high. And so the market was pushing this internal structure to come and check out this high. So you can see we had this a break of market structure, a retracement, a break of market structure, and currently the market is retracing. So measure measuring from this 4 high to this 4 low, these are these were 50% level. These are 50%. So the market here is premium, is discount. So if I want to buy gold, I'll want it to buy at where? At discount. So this is where I want to buy gold at discount level. This is the discount. This is the premium. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. I'll show you. So gold has started retracing, and we have this change of character. Change of character indicating that sellers have stepped in on gold, and if I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy here. I told you I'm going to buy gold here. So I'll be willing to sell gold at a premium market. This is a premium market that I'll be willing to sell gold. So we have the market giving us this change of character to confirm that sellers are indeed here. So uh, uh, at the same time, so this is going to be our 1 hour low, 1 hour low, and measuring from this 1 hour low to this 1 hour high to this 1 hour low. Uh, this is going to be my equilibrium. So anyway, I don't really trade that much of reversals, but I'm going to trade this. I'm going to trade this reversal with portions. So I'll just need a lot of confirmation. You can see, so you can see we have this internal 1 hour structure. You can see an internal break of market structure, a retracement. So if we get the market now coming to premium, and then a change of character again, then to confirm sales, then I'm willing to check the sales from here. So when the market is here, I want to see I want to see a confirmation also that buyers have stepped in. That is a change of character. Then I'll be willing to buy gold from here uh, to that weak high that I told you. I'll be willing to hold gold from here to that 1 hour that I told you. So I think this is going to be my weekly analysis. So please like and subscribe, and please share. Have an beautiful week, and see you on Friday. Bye bye.